So this video is going to be a representation of summer. Since we only have one more week left of school, I decided to do a cute little design that represents summertime. And we are going to get our quarter sheet of paper or your sketchbook. We're going to use either a stencil if you have a circle stencil, or if you have some type of lid, we're going to use that to begin our design. So we are going to hold the paper vertical, and I'm going to put my little circle template, and I'm going to draw a half a circle. So use your pencil. I am using a marker so you can see my lines that I draw. I'm going to start with a half circle just like that for a smiley face. So if you don't have a stencil, you can just freehand draw it. Do a smiley face at the bottom of your paper. And then the next step that we are going to do is going to be a wavy line that's just going to be drips. So you go from this side of the half a circle to the other side, and it doesn't really matter. Just do some small and big. So do a little wave and then dip down. Do a few more small ones, dip down again, and stop here at the other end of the half circle. And then we're going to continue just a little bit more. So just do one or two more dips on the other side of the half circle. Okay? The next step we're going to do is you're going to put your pencil back at the beginning of this half circle, and we're going to make a curved line going down and up like this. So go down, then go up, and then you're going to go back down and connect to the end of the drips. Alright, so the next shape that we're going to do, 2 or 3 little circles right here on the corner. Doesn't really matter, 2 or 3, however many you want to do. Okay, next shape that we're going to do, we're going to go up here, and we're going to do an upside down frown face, just like that. Okay? Okay, next step we're going to do, we're going to connect from this end frown to this end of the frown. We're going to do small letter upside down U's. Okay, and then connect to the other end of the frown face. Okay, next step we're going to do, if you want to use a straight edge, you can. You don't have to though, but we're going to make 2 straight lines diagonal. They're going to be parallel. And you're going to go straight down from the middle of this frown face, straight down, and stop right there. And we're going to do another one that's going to be parallel to it, straight down. So like I said, if you have a hard time doing straight lines, get your little straight edge ruler. You can use the ruler if you want. Alright, 2 parallel lines. Next shape we're going to do another half circle. You don't have to use a stencil, you can freehand it. We're going to go to this end of the half circle, and we're going to go the opposite direction. Just like that. Half circle in that direction. Okay? That's going to be the beach ball. Okay, so what we're going to do, once we do the half circle, we're going to do a small circle inside on the left side. Okay, then you're going to do a curve like that. Go back to the small circle, do another curve. Okay, this way, going up. There's that line, and then 2 more in the ball. One this way to the left, and then another one. And do the stripes of the ball. So when you color it, every other one is going to be a different color. So if you can see this one, I did blue, red, blue, red. So every other shape, you color it. Okay. Now, the sand is behind the umbrella. So what you do is you get your pencil right here at the ball, make a line going to the 2 parallel lines and stop. Then you're going to go to the opposite side of the 2 parallel lines and continue that curved line, just like that. So that's going to be where the sand is. Okay, now these 2 parallel lines, they connect to the top of the umbrella. So what you do is you follow this line and stop and pick up your pencil to the outside end of the umbrella. Just do a little square at the top, just like that. Alright, your umbrella, mine has stripes, but you can decorate it however you want. So for example, you can make some little circles inside instead of stripes. I'll do some half circles, letter O's, some letter C's. Okay, so some of them are half circles and some of them are full circles. Alright, so stripes or circles, however you want to do it. And then the next step is going to be some clouds. Not too many because you want to have a sunny day at the beach. That a little overcast is good so you don't get sunburnt. So you make a straight line going outside from the umbrella, just like that. And then I'm going to make some little bumps like this. Small ones, big ones, and then continue to the umbrella. Behind the cloud, we're going to do another half circle for the sun. And then you want to give it some rays. So we're going to do some upside down V's, sideways V's, do some small ones, do some big ones, and go all the way around your sun. So it has some rays. And there's your little beach scene. So what you have to do now is you get your pencils, or your color pencils, or your crayons, and you color it. Now you see when I colored it, I used different shades of blue, so that makes it look more realistic. So try to use some light blues and dark blues, and then color however you want the background. You could add some words to it, but that is your summertime design. This is the last week of school, so I hope everybody has a good summer, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. So subscribe to my channel and look for more videos.